Well, I'm 1 year into my Chinese motorcycle ownership experience, and it hasn't been what I hoped it would be. I mean, I knew it would be poor craftsmanship and poor material quality. It's like somebody just threw a bunch of lawn furniture into the pot at the foundry when they were doing some of the metal. But biggest thing is wiring issues, as with any Chinese product. It's got wiring issues. So I've got a bad ignition, and so shorting out there. Headlight, plastic, busted, and you get what you pay for. So I wouldn't do it again. I'd buy it nice.